what's up and welcome back to my channel. So today we have another fun review from Devilinspired. So after our last collab, I had so much fun working with them. They reached out to me again and were like, hey, let's collab again. And I'm like, yes, let's do it. So I have some fun, cute summer dresses for you guys to peep today. We've got 3 to go through, all different styles too. Like, we're gonna like do a little runway moment. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so the first dress we have is this super cute, like, pinky dress with like this like gold and pink and dark green as well, like dark green. It's darker than the dress and it's got like ruffle layers. Let me bring it in and like see. Ooh, the gold, the shiny bits, and I'm like living for these ruffles. Oh my gosh. And then it has a cute little bow here. Like, this is what I feel like, almost like a casual type Lolita dress, if I might say something. Like, it could do with a blouse, but I also think you can just wear it just like this. It has some nice like cinching in the back, so this part's nice and stretchy, because I don't think there is a zipper. No, there is not. So I am super excited to try this one on. And then it does have little ties there, so I think you tie that in the back. So let's try this one on. All right, so here is the first dress. What do we think? This is super cute. And yes, for those worrying, I do have safety shorts on as always. So I should probably have the white ones on, but you know, it is what it is. I feel like a princess in this dress. It is so cute. If I'm being honest though, it might just be because of the type of bra I have on right now. It is kind of snug, and I think it might just be because I have a really long torso, and so the sleeves aren't adjustable. So I might DIY a little bit of that right there. But other than that, this is so cute and I feel like a princess in this dress. This is so cute. I love the tie part in the back, which, pardon my awful tying skills, but y'all can see it. It's right there. It's super cute. I love the ruffles. The pattern is so cute. Oh my gosh. When I originally had just put it on, I was like, this feels like really short, but looking at it in the mirror, I'm like, it's not short at all. I'm wondering if I haven't worn ruffles like this in so long, and I'm wondering if like, I'm thinking the dress ends here, but it actually ends obviously way down there. And I mean, like, if I'm going by lengthwise, it even passes my middle school standards, which was it has to pass the tips of your fingers, which this dress does, and it is super cute and super flowy. I love it so much. It is so pretty. I'm like, you don't even need like a crinoline or anything underneath this. I feel like you could put like a small blouse underneath if you wanted to layer up for perhaps the fall or the spring if it is a little cooler, but this is so pretty. Yay! Let's move on to the next dress. Alright, so this next dress, which is like kind of washed out on my camera, you can't super tell, I don't think, but it is like this Most Precious mint green, like a very pastel green, and I'm loving it. The material is so soft. I am living for this. And then it does have like some, what's the word I'm looking for? Lace. It has like a lace trimming here. It also has a tie, and then I just noticed there's little lace ties up here, which I'm assuming probably tie into this part here. I'm gonna have to take a boo at the picture because I don't remember that, but this is super cute, like a fun little like picnic, a picnic date. That would be so cute. I'm like just picturing where I would wear these outfits. So same thing though, there is no zipper, but we've got the cinching in the back, so nice and stretchy. We love that because, you know, your girl's got a touche. So I kind of got to get my caboose in there, but here is a close-up look. Can we kind of get that green in the film? Perhaps, perhaps not. It also has like little bits of cinching kind of in the sleevey bits, so you can know, little bits of stretchy right here. And then obviously it has the ties as well, but this is like, this is so soft. Anyways, let's try this one on. Okay, so here is dress number 2. Now, if I'm being honest, I probably should have gotten one size larger because I actually had to take the bra off because the boobs are sitting here, but I think this should be pulled down a little more. I don't know. I think the boobs should be sitting in the middle of this part here. Definitely not for the larger tatas unless you get a bigger size. But it is still super cute and just as flowy as the last one, which many of you know I love a flowy dress. It makes me feel like a princess. I don't know. I just am living for it. As far as those two little lace strap things, I kind of just did this. What do we think? I tried a few different things. Like I tried tying it right here and that just like messed this part up, but I'm thinking this is the way to go. And then obviously if you don't want them, they're really easy to just like tuck in here. So if you didn't vibe with them, I don't even know if I did it right, but you can tuck them in and just have the dress nice and open like that. I think it looks super cute with the lace kind of tie neck part, but I also love it without. And then same thing as the last, it does have the bow part in the back right here. You can see with the thing. It's just super cute. I'm like, if I zoom in, can we see that it's green this time? Also, can y'all see what I mean? Like the boobs are here. I feel like they should be like, we need to pull this down more. I don't know. I love this dress so much, so I'm gonna make it work. I might have to alter it myself a little bit just for my size. As I mentioned with the last dress, I have a large torso. It's a very long torso, so finding Asian sizing stuff that fits my torso properly is sometimes a task, but it is super cute. And sorry, like y'all flashing my safety shorts there. This is super cute and flowy, and the sleeves are like poofy princess vibes. I just love it so much. But let's move on to the last dress. All right, and last but not least, I'm hoping I can snag a nerd partner in this. Perhaps, maybe not. Ooh, I mean, it doesn't look like a lot, I guess, just holding it up because your arms go through here. It's kind of an off the shoulder, and I'm thinking like this is like super cute date night, like cocktail happy hour type dress. And it's like a really pretty, like a shiny satin. And I was just really excited because, you know, your girl needs to get out there. And like, I love wearing pastels almost all the time, but I'm like, sometimes I need to be like, how you doing, girl? Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, y'all know what I'm saying. It makes sense. I'm like, plus this white part right here is like so like poofy and soft, and I love that it's soft because if it was scratchy, that would be like not fun and I would not want to wear this dress, but thankfully it is not. I just noticed too, it's got like that rubber bit right here. Let's see. Yes, you can see that shiny line, the rubber bit there, because it is an off the shoulder dress, and that's gonna like help it stay up top, which is great because I have not a lot of here to hold things up, unlike some of my other friends. So, but yeah, let's give this a try. Okay, so here is the third and final dress. What do we think? This is skin tight. Y'all, let me tell you, this, I did not want to go any smaller, and I mean, like, I might have been able to go bigger, but I'm like, this fits perfectly. Do not want to mess with the sizing. It hugs the touche. It hugs everything. This was kind of a struggle to get into. Not gonna lie. I feel like bodycon stuff normally is. Let me just say this right now. Other than the arm bits, there is no stretch. The measurements that you see are the measurements you are gonna get. Obviously, like, clothing varies, like, I'd say 1 to 2 centimeters, so that's the tea for that. But this is so cute. Oh my gosh, I feel like a boss babe ready to go like party in the club or like attend a like cute but like sexy sophisticated business meeting. Oh my goodness, who is she? And of course we have the back of the dress. Can we get a little commotion for the back of the dress? And this one, I noticed, had a zipper, which would make sense if it doesn't have any stretch to it that it would have a zipper, which was super fun to put up. But another thing I love about this dress, as I mentioned when chatting about it, we have not a lot of boobs. There's not a lot of boobs here. This is helping it stay up. That little, like, the rubber part, I'm like, yes, I'm like, I don't have to worry about my dress falling down in the middle of, I don't know, wherever I am, because it's got that part there which really helps keep the dress up, which is amazing because when you have no boobs, things just slide when you have off the shoulder stuff. Also, I'm feeling like I could really, like, I'm thinking like matching black satin gloves. Like, would that not just be a moment? I don't know, what do you guys think? Would that be too much, or would that just be like not enough? I love this dress. I cannot stop like feeling myself in this dress. I think it's so cute, you know, featuring, you know, my lollipop socks right now. This dress is so cute and I cannot wait to like maybe wear it on a date, hashtag single life, or I don't know, I'm excited to wear it. Alright guys, well that is it for this video. Which was your favorite dress? Was it number 1, 2, or 3? Leave those in the comments below. Of course, all the dress links will be in the description as well for you guys to peep. And Devilinspired was so sweet, they gave me a discount code for you guys, so you can use code CHEEKYSPARKLES for 12% off your order. But that is all I have for you guys this time. I love you a lot and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!